Welcome to Edgar University. I am so excited that you have taken the time to invest in yourself, invest in your own learning. I'm Laura Roeder. I'm the founder of MeetEdgar, and I just wanted to take a minute to tell you why we created Edgar University and what you'll get out of it. So, first of all, we want to show you how to create a sustainable social media strategy. A lot of the things you read about social media are kind of the trend of the week, the flavor of the week. We wanted to go to a deeper level and really give you an understanding of how do I create a social media marketing strategy for my business that I can use month in and month out. Next, we want to get you to an advanced level as a social media marketer. So, whatever knowledge level you came in here with, we want you to walk away feeling like you really understand how to best leverage and optimize social media marketing for your business. We also want you to learn to be an Edgar power user, the customers that really understand all the different ways that you can use Edgar for seasonal campaigns or how to really leverage variations. We find that they get much better results from their marketing. So an aim here at Edgar University is to let you know, kind of be on that first level of Edgar to really get all the ninja level tips and tricks to maximize Edgar for your business. And finally, to keep you informed of social media and online marketing trends and changes. There can be huge changes from year to year as far as what is the best practices for the different social networks, what you're allowed to do on the different social networks. So we hope that Edgar University can be a home for you to make sure that you know what's currently happening with social media marketing. So I would suggest that you start with our Social Brilliant course. That's actually the course I was teaching that inspired me to create MeetEdgar. I was teaching people how to do a lot of this stuff manually, and then we built MeetEdgar to just do it for you. So Social Brilliant will give you a really good understanding of kind of the strategy behind MeetEdgar, and again, that sustainable social media strategy that you can always use for your business.